So today we are going to discuss about Nitro Pro 9. So let's start. So here is the agenda. What's the agenda? Today we are going to discuss. The first one is about Nitro. Next is about demo of Nitro Pro 9. And next is about question and answers, and at the end we will wrap it. So first of all we will discuss about the facts about it. So it was founded in 2005 in Melbourne, Australia, and its global headquarters is situated in San Francisco, which is covers about 120 employees. Nitro Pro is sold globally in 12 languages, means it is sold in globally around 12 languages. That includes Spanish, German, English, Finnish, French, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, Russian, and Swedish. So it is also coming soon in different languages like Japanese and Chinese. About nearly 1 million Nitro Pro licenses sold into 197 countries. So I think it's a big amount of the Nitro Pro to be sold. And next is about over 36 million Nitro reader downloads it. So that's a good numbers. Partners with Lenovo, 60 plus million machines per year distribute Nitro Pro. So if we talk about the customers around the globe, so it have different customers from IBM and from Safeway, Nike, Dell, G3, Cat. You can see here the different number of customers base of Nitro. So now what is Nitro? It is the fastest, easiest way to create, edit, convert, sign and secure PDF files. So it is the fastest way to create and sign or secure the PDF files. Save, share and collaborate, as well as send documents for signatures all via the cloud. Means we can send and receive documents by signature and through the cloud. So that's a good thing for about Nitro. Now Nitro Pro now 9 demo. So it has different demos. So first of all we will discuss about the three core functions. So first one is Pro 9 user interface, means it have a good user interface and a friendly interface. So it has office plugins and right click options, and also have print driver or creator. Second point is 10 key areas tour of user interface, and then third is 5 C's, means it includes create, convert, combine, collaborate and control. So here is a demo of Nitro Pro 9. So the 5 C's includes create, means we can create PDF and PDF or a files, form creation, one click creation from MS Office formats, scan to PDF and editing. Then the next second point is convert, means we can convert to files to PDF, export PDF to MS Office formats, scanned PDF becomes editable with OCR. And then third point is combine, so it includes combine and merge files to a single PDF file. Then the fourth point is collaborate, it includes share, markup, review, compare, manage document review cycles with multiple users. And next fifth point is about control, so it includes digital signatures, passwords protection, dedication, digital certification, permissions, document 256-bit AES encryption techniques, means it includes 25 to 56-bit advanced encryption techniques. So that's a good point about Nitro 9 version. Now next about the QA. So QA links Nitro for business. Here are the different tutorial links and support link you can get idea from here. Now next we are going to discuss about the different versions of Nitro that have been released up to the mark today. So Nitro Pro 10 is the first. Nitro Pro 10 includes 10.5.7.32 that is released in Tuesday, December 15, 2015. Next version is 10.5.6.14 that's released on November 11th 2015. Next is 10.5.29 that is released on September 23rd 2015, and so on. 10.2.4 were released on October 28th 2015. So now we will discuss it one by one. So the Nitro Pro version 10.5.7.32 includes enhancements. What were the enhancements that have been done in this version? First of all was the reduction tools is apply reduction and repeat mark across pages, now available via right click text menu. Next is insert pages. We can insert different pages. Dialog redesigned to allow users to insert multiple files at once. Box desktop client is now supported on open and save backstage menus. Literatures, 2 or more characters joined as single glyph are now better supported with regards to searching and text editing. Font substitution improved for when Times New Roman is not embedded and when embedded fonts contain bad values. So what were the issues resolved in this version? So we will discuss it there. Control Z undo keyboard shortcut was not being initialized correctly with Nitro Pro is loaded. Customized keyboard shortcuts were still not being retained after the session was closed. Advanced text recovery was not functioning correctly when being used to export PDF files to Word or Excel. Helvetica font would not embed correctly unless the option embed base 14 was checked. Next was the barcode library would not initialize correctly on some systems, causing Nitro Pro to crash. Increased stability after page manipulation due to specific internal changes to the source code. Outlook add-in embedded attachments option would not work when converting PDF files. Form field properties would cause a crash when the file was closed before the dialog was closed. Advanced search would have issues searching of certain strings that contain spaces within the string. Next is about the share send as attachment would invalidate digital signatures on the PDF. Now we will discuss about the Nitro Pro version 10.5.6.14 enhancements. So it includes base numbering added via multiple files option were not being tagged correctly, causing issues when using remove base numbering. Advanced search would highlight some items using the wrong coordinate when the file was made searchable via OCR. Advanced search would highlight some items using the wrong coordinates when the file was made searchable. JavaScript related to the maildoc function increased stability due to specific internal changes to the source code. So Nitro Pro version 10.5.29 includes enhancements, Office add-ins, barcodes, and if we discuss about the resolved issues, it includes error 130, PDF portfolio, Outlook add-in, Word add-in, Internet Explorer plugin, stamps and localization. If we will discuss about Nitro Pro 10.5.4.16 enhancements includes Nitro Cloud, bookmarks, and resolved issues contains stamps, customized keyboard shortcuts, AutoCAD 2014 and above, Nitro PDF Creator, Nitro Users Interface, and Create PDF from HTML. So that's end of my video. So if you have any questions, we can discuss it further. Thank you.